Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to open a nationwide bank account online. So this is great because it literally allows you to set up your account from home, so there's no need to visit a branch and you can start managing your money right away. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply visit the official Nationwide Bank website. So just make sure it's the right site by looking at the URL. And you're then going to have to look for the open an account or register online button. So it's usually going to be easy to spot right on the website. Then next, you're going to need to provide some personal information like your name, date of birth, current address, and even your contact info. So you also need to have some form of identification ready, like your passport, driver's license, or national ID. And once you have all those, you then need to set up your online banking login details, which can include a username and password. You may also be asked to create security questions or enable two-factor authentication. This basically helps keep your account secure. And after submitting everything, Nationwide will then send you a verification code via text or email. This helps them confirm your identity. So simply enter the code and that's it. Your account will then be ready to use, so you can literally log in, manage your money, set up payments, and explore all the online banking features. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.